I just want Will to read the headline. He refused to read the headline.
All right, fine. AI imager Midjourney V5 version 5 stuns with photorealistic images.
Let's go, Willie, do!
And five-fingered hands. So finally, this is
What is this?
holy grail.
What is this hand thing? Lack of dopamine hits because the results are too perfect every time. Why does that?
What?
Lack of dopamine hits. That image is insane.
Is this too perfect? It doesn't seem too perfect.
You think it's too perfect?
I don't.
I think everything in the future looks exactly like this. This is the future. You're going to put a headset on and you're just
the
there.
meta? This is what Mark's working on?
That's where you are. I don't know. Like everything is like blurry, weird, blurry background, dreamscape. Yeah, it's just like
and jacked.
what the hell? What the hell did you just transition to here, Will?
So I guess this is showing different versions of Midjourney, going from V3, V4, and then V5. You can kind of tell the level of fidelity in each image. Mm-hmm. And the one on the right, V5, is the most, or it's the most realistic, I guess.
Yeah.
In terms of its lighting and tone and mood.
This is such a weird instruction. It's like Conan the Barbarian in front of CRT TV. Like, what a weird instruction that is.
Yeah, I think it's kind of cool. The middle section looks like, you know, that cartoon like Ralph has like that type of aesthetic.
Oh yeah.
Which one do you like, Mo?
The most?
Yeah.
Which buff guy do you like?
Yeah.
Okay, let me think about it. Not the first V3, Midjourney V3 is, I'm not about it. I do like the middle one, the middle bottom right, where he's like angry in front of the TV.
This guy here?
I like that guy.
That guy you like?
Yeah.
He's a bit thicker for you, isn't he?
Yeah, he's pretty thick, isn't he? He's 2 C's thick.
That's what you like about it.
It also has like a 90s
Which is
look.
fair, by the way.
I mean...
I'll take top left. Yeah, that's my guy.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This guy looks like Kratos from God of War.
Oh man. No, I like bottom left.
Just shadows.
I don't. Yeah. Okay. Muscular. The instruction here is muscular barbarian with weapons beside a CRT television set. Cinematic 8K studio lighting. So if that's what we're going based on, then definitely bottom right is, or maybe the one above there. Yeah, one something in this section. They
yeah, you're right. The last two.
They stop looking like action figures and start looking more like actual people. But,
yeah.
Even you can see the lighting reflection on the TV. It's pretty realistic. Like, especially because it says studio lighting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bounce lighting.
Yeah.
Or bottom right, I think
TV.
qualifies as studio lighting.
Yeah. Sure.
The backlighting there.
Very cool.
And now, Mo, what might happen if two of these characters got into a wrestling match?
I'd pay to see that.
You would.
On that CRT.
Why do you gotta say that?
Oh man.
So here's some other images
Well,
here.
you like that, didn't you?
Yeah.
The you would part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a fun one.
An AI generated a synthetic photograph of a girl through a window generated using Midjourney V5. It's
The reflections.
Oh man, get out of here.
The lighting.
I don't know what's going on, but it is my future. I promise. It is my future. Like there's nothing. Look at this burger. You see?
Tasty burger.
Can you go back to the burger? Can you go back to
hands.
the burger for a second? I want to look at the seeds.
Yeah, a bun with a good sesame seeds.
Look at the seeds on the bottom bun. Look, Otis is trying to eat the damn burger on the TV right now.
He is, actually.
The lettuce leaves. Or arugula or something.
Yeah.
Is that an egg?
Melting cheese.
Yeah, there's a got an
That's
egg.
an egg
You
in
got an
there.
egg on there.
With that little imperfection. What is that little dot there?
Yeah. No,
you know?
listen.
What?
Listen. This guy's in the flower shop.
Good hands. Decent.
I don't know.
Not
It's blurry. It's behind the
Sure. Yeah.
yeah. Clown.
Oh, dude,
Sad clown.
this feels like such a real photo.
This is yours. This is what you like. Buff guys and clowns.
Buff guys in class.
Why did that one stand out to you so much?
I don't know. It feels very real. It feels like I took a photo like this on a subway.
Oh, you
A
did?
lot of emotion there. And the foreground.
Minus the clown, but yeah.
You see how there's a
this is
foreground element here?
Yeah.
Very subtle.
Actually, I didn't notice that right away.
No.
It was a great image.
And this one.
What the hell?
Huh?
These look fantastic.
Yeah, V3 or V5.
Yeah, they look. Yeah, dude. You kidding? Oh, can I
So
see?
these are the hands.
They say hands
gotta
are
look at the
fixed.
hands.
They say hands are fixed. Look at the hands.
It's not bad.
I'd say that looks fixed to me.
You like these hands? How about those hands?
Those are not bad.
You like them?
Pretty good.
Worker
pretty
hands, old hands,
What are the other two hands, Will?
average hands.
And the last one?
Softy hands.
Yeah.
So this is from Del Walker. He says, just a heads up, Midjourney's AI can now do hands correctly. Be extra critical of any political imagery, especially photography you see online that is trying to incite a reaction.
Okay, there.
The future of like all social media is we're just not going to be able to believe anything.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Photo evidence, and
Doesn't mean anything anymore.
it's just not going to be the way. We're not going to look at things the same way. That's the bottom line. It's that you're going to, and it's already kind of like that where we have to guess at everything.
Yeah.
Like if you're a responsible internet person, everything you look at, you're like, well, I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
But it wasn't long when we were, reaming on the hands. And then like a month later, like they did hands.
Well,
they did it right.
speak for yourself. Right?
Dude, I tested
There was only one of us that was reaming.
Well, it was very unsettling.
Yeah, I don't remember myself reaming. That was more what you were doing.
Okay, well.
But yes, Will, they I don't know. We would need to experiment with it more. I'm sure we could still screw it up.